Hello students, in today's video we are going to study about liberalization, privatization, globalization policy. Now this policy came into existence in our country in 1990 and there were a lot of benefits for the business owing to this policy. So let us now study in detail what is this LPG policy. First, L stands for liberalization. Now, liberalization is the process or the means of elimination of control of the state over economic activities. So, here they are saying it is a process or it is a means of elimination of control of the state over economic activities. When they say state, it means that it is elimination of control of government over economic activities. Before 1990s, government had control over all the economic activities in the country. Each and everything that happened in the economy, government used to monitor and have control over those economic activities. But after 1990s, when LPG policy came into existence, this freedom or this control of the government was reduced. That is, business enterprises were allowed to function on their own and there was removal of restriction on operating of business enterprise. Further, it provides greater autonomy to the business enterprise in decision making and eliminates government interference. So here they are giving autonomy to business enterprise. That means they are giving more freedom to business enterprise in decision making and eliminating government interference. So here business organization are free to make their own decision and there is no interference by the government. Earlier, government used to decide what type of goods and services will be produced, when they will be produced, and how much quantity the goods and services will be produced, what will be the price, how the goods will be available. But after LPG policy, this freedom was given to business organization. They can make their own decision as to what goods and services will be produced, how they will be sold, and at what price they will be sold. So liberalization gave liberty to business organization to make their own decisions and run their business as per the requirements of the customers. Next is privatization. Privatization is the general process of involving the private sector in ownership or operation of a state-owned enterprises. Before 1990s, all the factors of production were owned by the government, that is land, labor, capital, organization. Everything was owned by the government. As we have already discussed about this while we were discussing economic type of economy. So in that we have studied about capitalist, communist and mixed economy, right? So just like earlier our country was communist kind of economy wherein factors of production were owned by only government. But after LPG policy, the factors of production, that is land, labor and capital, due to privatization can be owned by people other than government. Even they have a right to own land to set up their own business enterprise and start selling goods and services within the country. So privatization gave benefit to the private sector to own land along with the government. They can either do it completely on their own or they can own stake along with the government, set up a business organization and sell goods and services. So that is the benefit of privatization. Next is globalization. Globalization may be defined as a process associated with increasing openness, growing economic interdependence and deepening economic integration in the world economy. Before 1990s, our country was having only domestic market, that is goods and services were produced within the country and they were consumed within the country. There was no freedom for the business enterprise to sell or purchase goods from other countries. But after globalization, all such restrictions were removed and freedom was given to business enterprise to merge or to sell goods and services internationally. That is, you can easily sell goods and services, or you can have free export and import, although certain restrictions are there as to tariff, quota, taxes, custom duties, and so on. But still, earlier permission was not given to sell goods and services outside the country or to purchase goods and services outside the country. But now, after globalization, this freedom is given. So you can see companies like Reliance, Tata, they have branches of their company not only in India but outside the country. Similarly, other MNCs like McDonald's, Domino's, Wipro, they have set up their branches in India. All this is possible because there is globalization, that is, there is opening up of our country economy with the world economy, which is making world a global market, and the goods and services can be availed by any country from anywhere around the world. This is possible only because of globalization. So this is all about LPG policy, and this policy has helped our country to develop business organization of international standard and to compete with the world. So with this, I conclude my discussion for today. Thank you.